What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. All right, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make 25 cents for every single receipt that you have. It doesn't matter where you went, doesn't matter how much you spent, whatever it is, as long as you have a receipt, I'm gonna show you how to make 25 cents. All right, so the thing is, I got this receipt here, just a regular receipt. I didn't buy anything special. Just Walgreens. I just went to the store and bought some Altoids and bottled water. I only spent $5.77, so not a big deal, not a big purchase, but I'm still gonna get 25 cents, and I'm gonna show you how. All right, so the thing is, there are gonna be these 5 different apps that you're gonna have to use. All right, you put them all together. It takes maybe 1 to 2 minutes to use all 5 of them, because all you're doing is just basically scanning your receipt. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to do that real quick. The first one you want to do is Receipt Pal, and all of these apps will be in the description. All right, so this is the first app that you're gonna use, Receipt Pal here. Basically, take a picture of your receipt, and on this app, you will get 5 cents for every single receipt that you scan. So the thing is, every card, 100 points, that's actually 20 cents. You know what I'm saying? You scan one, you do one card, then you get another one, then you get another one. You just keep going out. Once one card fills up, another one will open up. So you just take a picture of your receipt just like this. Just click on the camera, just like that. Trying to hold 2 cameras at once. Just take a picture of it. Then you click done. Do its work, trying to make sure the picture's good. The picture's in there. I don't know if you can really see it good, but it's, clear view. Click on submit. Submitting receipt, and it'll go into a little pending status. And it takes about a couple hours for it to actually, go through. I just want to make sure basically that your receipt is within the after the date that they're accepting, because for right now they're only accepting receipts from December 29th and later. So they just want to make sure the date is correct on that. All right, so that's one app, and like I said, it's 5 cents for every single receipt that you earn. So far we've made 5 cents. The next app, this one, Coin Out. You see here, same thing. I have $5.62 in this one. All you're doing is scanning it. So you're gonna push the scan button right here. Same thing, just take a picture of the receipt. Just like that. And this, all you do it, submit it. Do its work, and it'll show you at the bottom how much you made. Just like that, I made 2 cents on that receipt. You know what I'm saying? Doesn't matter. So far we've already made 7 cents. All right. So just keep in mind that's what's going on right now. So 7 cents. We're gonna go to the next app. We're gonna go to Ibotta. All right. Now the thing is, with this app, it's a little bit different, because you actually have to find the store in which you bought it from, and the store will be on there. So you see here, I went to Walgreens. So basically right here, go to the home page just so you can see me actually go to, my bad, dropped the camera. But let me see right here at Walgreens, click on that. And now you're going to go to find any item. So you'll see here all the items that they have. You just scroll over to any item. Basically, you get paid for any item that you buy on here. That's the wrong thing, my bad. Let me click back. Go back to Walgreens. And let me scroll over to any item. Click on that. And right there, you see I get 10 cents for any item. So I'm going to click on that, because that's what I got. Any item. Click on that square with plus sign. And then I didn't click on it real good, so I'm clicking like that. Okay, and the ad will play just for you to watch it real quick. So I'm gonna pause the video while the ad plays. All right, so after you do the ad, it'll show right there. There's a check mark on any receipt. So now you go down to redeem. You went to Walgreens. Like I said, just find the store that you went to, and you're gonna take a picture of it. So you do continue, and same thing like you do in the other apps. Just take a picture of it, just like that. Just taking a picture of it. So I got the picture. I'm gonna go down to finish, and they're just gonna make sure that they can see what you chose, and they found it right here. Any item. So now you're gonna add one purchase, 10 cents. That's what you gonna get the cash back. Collect. And just watch the money fall into your account just like that. Send the receipt. Just like that, the money goes right into your account. It says within 24 hours, but it's really instantly. So, just like that. And I need You need $20 to cash out in this site. I have $6.81 more to add to my account until I'm able to cash out. But you see there, I got 10 cents for that. So already we're at a total of 17 cents. All right, so now I'm gonna go to another app right here, Fetch Rewards. And on this app, you're gonna get paid a very minimum of 2 cents. So they want me to update it. I'm not gonna actually update it right now, but let me go back. Let me see. I'm trying to just use the app without updating it real quick. All right, so I had to update the app. It wouldn't let me use it without updating it, but I'm back with the app. I got 6,076 points. And for this app, you're going to get paid a minimum of 2 cents per your receipt. But the thing is, they have things on here that you can actually purchase for more points. Like if you buy, one of these Dove products, you're going to get 250 points, things like that. So, they have a lot of things on here that you can specifically purchase in order to get a lot of points. But in this case, you just want to scan the receipt. It doesn't matter what you bought. You go over here to scan, and very easy. Just take a picture of the receipt. Nothing special. Just like that. And then you just wait for it to credit your account. Like I said, it's gonna be a minimum of 2 cents. You see here, receipt scan bonus 25 cents, and in this app that's equivalent to 2 cents. So far on our first app we got 5 cents. On the second app we got 2 cents. On the third app we got 10 cents. And on this app we got 2 cents. When you put that all together, you're at 19 cents. All right, so 19 cents so far. I'm done with that. And you see the money went into my account. My balance went up 25 points. So now I'm gonna go to the last app, which is Checkpoints. And on this one, you're gonna get paid a minimum of 4 cents for every single receipt that you scan. So I'm gonna go over here to scan receipts. And again, just take a picture of the receipt. Just like that. I'm gonna click finish. Hold on, I gotta do that again. Didn't get a clear picture of it. Just make sure it's clear when you take the picture. So there it is. Click on finish. And I actually scanned the receipt already. I forgot, my bad. But the thing is, you can still scan your receipt, because you see here it says scan receipts, 20 points. And in this app, that's equivalent to 4 cents. So basically, with all of these apps combined, I made 23 cents, not quite 25 cents. But the thing is, you can easily, make a little more, just because some of the apps, like I know for a fact, this one right here, I'm gonna go back to a coin out. This app will allow you to, it really depends. Like you can make 3 cents, you can make 1 cent, you can make 5 cents, 22 cents. It really just gives you different amounts. So the thing is, you'll make more, even though we only made 23 cents in this video. Sometimes you'll make more with this app, sometimes you'll make less. But I just wanted to show you how very easy it is to make, money off every single receipt that you scan, just using those 5 different apps. And like I said, I'll leave the link to all of those apps in the description. And when you sign up, you'll get a bonus on all of the apps. I think on the Fetch Rewards, you get a $2 bonus for signing up. On the Receipt Pal, you'll get 250 points. Coin Out, you get a bonus. I forgot what it is. And the Checkpoints, you'll also get, I think it's 200 points added to your account. So there's money in it. Like I said, you just scan the receipts. Doesn't matter where you went. And you're going to make, at the very minimum, 20 cents. I made 23 cents in this video, but like I said, you can easily make 25 cents or more. So just wanted to show you that. How easy it is to make money off your receipts. So never throw away your receipts until you make money off of it. All right. So like I said, all the links will be in the description for you to sign up and get paid for all the receipts that you scan. Basically get paid a minimum of 25 cents for all the receipts that you get. All right. So click on the links in the description, sign up for those apps, and always remember, every penny counts.